YouHodler Wallet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the YouHodler Wallet. Links to the product can be found in the description below. In this video, I'll cover the wallet's features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you determine if it's the right choice for your crypto management and earning needs. The YouHodler Wallet is more than just a storage solution for your cryptocurrency. It's a comprehensive platform for crypto enthusiasts seeking to earn, borrow, and trade digital assets. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, and other altcoins, making it versatile for diverse portfolios. One of its standout features is the Earn Interest functionality. Users can deposit their crypto or stablecoins to earn competitive interest rates, often surpassing traditional savings accounts. The wallet also integrates lending services, enabling you to leverage your crypto assets as collateral to obtain fiat or crypto loans. This feature is especially appealing to traders or investors who want liquidity without selling their holdings. Additionally, YouHodler provides multi-hodl, a tool that allows users to multiply their crypto holdings by utilizing market movements, with adjustable risk levels to suit individual preferences. The wallet also includes built-in conversion tools, letting users easily swap between supported cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. In terms of strengths, YouHodler Wallet is highly user-friendly, offering a seamless experience for both beginners and advanced users. Its wide range of financial tools, such as interest accounts and crypto-backed loans, makes it a comprehensive platform for managing and growing digital assets. Security is another strong point, with robust encryption, two-factor authentication, and cold storage measures in place to protect user funds. However, the wallet does have some weaknesses. Its lending and earning features are subject to market risks, so users should be cautious when engaging in higher-risk activities like multi-hodl. Additionally, its availability is limited in certain jurisdictions, which may restrict some users from accessing all features. Overall, the YouHodler Wallet is ideal for crypto investors and traders looking for more than just storage. It combines earning potential, liquidity, and versatility into one platform. If these features align with your crypto strategy, YouHodler could be an excellent choice. Check out the links in the description for more details.